Ever pondered on the question, how stable is my financial future? It's a query that can unnerve even the most confident among us. But fear not, because financial stability isn't an enigma. It's a state where you have enough savings, investments, and income to afford your lifestyle, not just for today, but for the foreseeable future. Financial stability is the bedrock of a secure and peaceful life. It's the comfort of knowing that if life throws a curveball, you have the financial resilience to handle it. It's not about being rich, but about being prepared. And how do you gauge your financial stability? Look at your savings. Is it enough to cover unexpected expenses? Examine your investments. Are they growing over time? Check your income. Is it sufficient to meet your needs and wants? Understanding the state of your financial health is the first step towards financial improvement. Now let's dive into the first step, assessing your current financial status. To do this, we'll need to evaluate 3 key areas. First, check your credit score. It's a quick indicator of your financial health. Next, calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. Lastly, analyze your income versus expenses. Are you living within your means, or are you overspending? These 3 steps will give you a comprehensive view of where you stand financially. A clear picture of your financial status sets the stage for improvement. With your financial status in mind, it's time to set financial goals. Goals give direction to your financial journey. They are the milestones that mark your path towards financial stability. These goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Mid-term goals might include saving for a down payment on a house or starting a business. Long-term goals could be saving for retirement or building a substantial emergency fund. But it's not enough to just have goals. They need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," say, "I want to save $2,000 for a vacation in the next 12 months. This goal is specific. You can measure your progress, it's achievable, it's relevant to your life, and it's time-bound. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Next up, creating a budget to guide your spending and saving. A budget isn't a buzzkill, it's a financial tool that gives you control over your money. It's about understanding how much money you have, where it goes, and then planning how to best allocate those funds. Start by categorizing your expenses. These could be fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, or variable expenses like entertainment and dining out. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, you can then prioritize your needs over your wants. Remember, needs are things that are essential for survival, like food and shelter, while wants are things that you would like to have but can live without. Adjusting your budget as necessary is also key. If you find a category is consistently over budget, it might be time to reassess and make changes. A budget is your financial roadmap, helping you navigate towards your goals. It's not about restriction, it's about making informed decisions and achieving financial stability. Let's now tackle the elephant in the room: debts. It's a hurdle we all face, but with a plan it becomes manageable. Consider strategies like the snowball method, where you start by paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum. Or try the avalanche method, prioritizing high-interest debts to save on interest over time. Remember, eliminating high-interest debt first can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Paying off debts frees up money for savings and investments. Finally, the last step: building an emergency fund. It's something that many overlook, but it's crucial for financial stability. An emergency fund is a safety net for those unexpected expenses that life throws our way. Think of it as a financial buffer, a cushion that stands between you and potential financial distress. But how do you go about building an emergency fund? Start small. You don't need to have thousands saved up right away. Even setting aside a small amount from each paycheck can make a big difference over time. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to contribute to your fund regularly, and while it may be tempting to dip into your fund for non-emergencies, resist the urge. The purpose of an emergency fund is to cover unexpected expenses, not fund a spontaneous shopping spree. In the end, you'll find that having an emergency fund provides peace of mind. It's a shield that protects you from life's financial surprises. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. To recap, we have covered 5 crucial steps towards financial improvement. First, we assessed our financial status to understand where we stand. Next, we set clear financial goals to give us a direction. Then, we created a budget to manage our income and expenses effectively. Fourth, we tackled the task of paying off debts to free up more resources. Finally, we emphasize the importance of building an emergency fund for unforeseen situations. Implementing these steps will put you on the path to financial stability. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future?